at the Kraken 5K today, starting with the Kids Dash, and then we're doing a 5K in Green Lake in Seattle. And we've got over here, if you can see it, I think that's the finish line, the starting line. Bowie's gonna be here. Who else are you excited to see, guys?
I'm excited to see Bowie.
Bowie?
I'll say get it out, you two Bowie.
Chloe, what are you excited about?
Running.
Running?
I'm
Carson, what are you excited? Running. Cody, are you excited to run?
Yes.
Okay, what's your goal? What's your goal time?
My time is like 35.
35? Mine's 45, and I'll explain why in a second. Carson, I think 30 is a good goal for you.
Mine is 40 or 28.
28, wowzer. How about you, Cooper? 30 to 40? Cooper, what's your goal?
30 to 40 minutes.
Now my goal is 45 because I haven't done a lot of videos lately because I've had my gallbladder out and I had the tumor, if you can see right here, there's a scar, tumor removed, and I rolled my ankle 2 months ago and it still hurts, so I'm a hot mess. Melissa ran the 5K and the half marathon. So yeah. Melissa will be way up with them. I'll be back here with the little ones because I'll be like the last one in the pack.
We just did the fun run in Camcorders.
Yeah, this is where we're going to be finishing at. And I think we start somewhere around here too. A lot of people.
Yeah.
Okay, Carter, how fast are you gonna do this kid dash? Like super fast? No, are you gonna crawl like a baby?
No.
No? Cooper, are you gonna sprint this kid dash? Yeah?
Yeah.
Go super fast? Oh look, they even got cheerleaders up here ready to cheer you on. You ready to run? Look, there's Bowie. Cody, there's Bowie. Are you ready to run super fast? Are you ready to run super fast? How fast? You gotta do your stretches. There you go. We're about to start the kid dash. I don't know if I'm gonna just doing a little loop. I think Bluey's got a horn for us. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Go! Go! Oh my God. Cody, stop. There goes Cody. Go, Cody, go! Woohoo! All right, you got a badge for completing it. How fast were you one of the first ones done?
Yeah.
Good job. I had to bow out halfway through. My ankle is killing me. I still have that sprained ankle, which kind of makes it hard to run. So this 5K should be interesting if I can't even do a 0.2 mile run. So Chloe, you might have to help with Cody and Carter, okay? Let me show you. You got a medal? Good job, Carter. How'd you do, Cooper?
Good. How come they didn't do the 5K first?
We're doing the 5K next.
We are?
There's water bottles up there if you want one. How'd you do?
Good.
You ready for the 5K?
I was like at the 7th person.
Nice, good job. That's awesome. Go, Camden! Woo! Go, Camden, go all the way. Go all the way to the finish. Good job, Camden. Yay! Finish your first ever race?
Yeah.
And what'd you get? A cookie? Show me the cookie. Good job, buddy. right, we're at the starting line for the 5K. End of wave 1 because I got a stroller and I'm slow. So, Cooper, how fast are you gonna go? So you guys are allowed to go further up to the front. I just have to be in the back because of the stroller. So if you want to go closer to the front, go for it. Okay? 30 seconds, Chloe. 30 seconds. And look at all the people behind us.
Dad's gonna be
Look, it's like it's way back there. Way back there. What?
Can I say something?
Let me turn around. Whoa. What's up?
So Dad's gonna be walking the run because his ankle.
Good. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good luck. Here we go. We're about to start. Woo! Go, go, go! So we're running around Green Lake in Seattle. It's a beautiful lake, and it's literally like exactly a 5K to go all the way around. We're 1 mile in, Cody. And I'm at 15 minutes. I'm on track to hit the 45, but it's not gonna lie. It's definitely painful to run, or well, fast walk on a sprained ankle, but we got this. Okay, we're at kilometer number 3. Got 2 more to go. Okay, we're at mile 2. And we're at 30 minutes and 20 seconds. So we're just slightly under pace, Chloe. So we go pick it up by 20 seconds for this last mile, okay? All right, Chloe, we just passed the 4th kilometer. We got 1 more to go. Let's pick up our pace.
Okay.
Let's do this. Much longer left. We got a cheering squad, Cody. Look at them all cheering. Yay! Say go, go, go! And we're super close to the end. Almost there. I'm at 43 minutes. I think we got about maybe a quarter mile left. All right, we're at the finish line. We did it. Woo! We did it. We did it, Cody. Do you want to run to the finish, Cody? Do you want to run to the finish line? Go. Go. Run, run, run. Woo. Let's go, Dave. We did it. You got Cody? Did you guys finish your 5K?
Yeah.
Yeah. Got the Seattle Kraken 5K medal.
Good job, guys. I was just under my goal of 45 minutes, but not bad with a sprained ankle, I would say. It was fun. I had fun doing this for the Kraken 5K. Okay, let's go find Mom. Did you have fun on the Kraken 5K? Let's see your medal. Here, hold it up higher so I can actually see it. There you go. Super cool. How did you do on the run, Melissa?
I did really good.
It was really fun. It's perfect weather out.
It was fun. I love the loop.
Did you run, Cam?
Really good.
Isn't it a beautiful walk?
It is a beautiful walk.
Cody, did you have fun on the 5K? Did you do good? We almost lost Cody at the finish line, but we found him. We need to put a tracker on that kid.
What's in 5 minutes?
And just like that, we're back home. We had an amazing time at the first ever Kraken 5K in Seattle at Green Lake. My ankle is very swollen and in a lot of pain, but I did it. I made it just a few minutes over my goal of 45. Is at 48. Next year, hopefully I'll be able to run it. And I'm doing, next year I'll try to do like closer to 30 minutes, but, or at least beat Carson. Carson was fast. He was like 34 minutes, I think. Carson was what, number 14 for your age group, I think? Yeah, all the results are online. I'll maybe like post in the description what the results were. But and Carson just got home from soccer and scored a goal. Good job. So guys, like I said, I had surgery here. I had my gallbladder out, so we haven't posted many videos this year, but I'm gonna try to post more videos. I wouldn't mind doing another family 5K. That was a ton of fun. But now, Cooper, what do you want to say?
So, we had fun at the 5K. I got Bowie a high five, and he pulled his teeth out. Then tomorrow I'm going to the pumpkin patch with Vinny. Then our next video will be the pumpkin patch vlog on October 20th. And our last video was when we went to Disneyland after Dad got his gallbladder out in April. And Halloween will be here before you know it, guys. Bye.
Bye. Carter, what do you want to say? What do
I
you want to say?
went fast.
You ran fast?
Pretty fast.
Did you have fun at the 5K?
Yeah.
Nice, I'm glad. Cody, you want to say bye to everyone with your cookie face? Say bye.
Bye.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Patty
Cody,
cake.
anything you want to say?
Bye, guys. And guys, I hope
Patty cake. Patty cake.
sometimes you guys should try a 5K if you guys have not. And probably on my Zigazoo
You
channel.
move so much. Sorry to keep you.
I'm probably on my Zigazoo channel. I'm probably gonna make a video of our day.
Yes, and these shirts
Am I-
are from Brooks Running Company, so they're actually good quality shirts for a run.
And my
which is
Zigazoo
super awesome.
channel's called Cloveberry,
On Zigazoo.
and I have 34 subscribers.
Famous. That's almost as much as us.
So you should subscribe. No, we have
We are getting close to 10,000, which is crazy. So I need to start posting more. But if you guys like the video, subscribe, give it a like, do all the things. You know
Cody,
what to do.
over here.
If you have any suggestions of other 5Ks to do in the Seattle area, let us know as well. But thanks for watching. Bye.
Hey, Dad, do you want to watch?
Camden, do you want to say bye?
Bye.
Say bye, guys.
Bye.
How much
Bye.
cookies you have?
So what did you say to Bluey, Cam?
Hi. Hi.
You said hi, Bluey?
Yeah.
Or not Bluey, it's Buoy. I always want to say Bluey, but it's Buoy like a boat. Bye.
Bye.